So you think you can't make money on YouTube until you hit that magical 1,000 subscribers? Well, my friend, that is one of the biggest myths on this platform. Yes, YouTube monetization is real and I'm monetized. And yes, it becomes a really nice income stream once you qualify. But waiting around for YouTube to finally pay you is not the right move, especially if you're building this in midlife and you want options sooner rather than later. So today, I'm going to show you the 5 ways that you can start making money on YouTube before you ever even get monetized. And then I'm going to show you how monetization simply becomes one more income stream once it finally kicks in. I'm breaking this down in a very simple, realistic way for you. And you're going to have those I had no idea moments. And once this clicks, everything starts to make a whole lot more sense. So if you're new here, hello, my name is Wendy. I'm a glammy from Ontario, Canada, and I help fellow midlifers to build flexible online income using YouTube, digital marketing, so that retirement is something that you can step into confidently instead of worrying about it. Now, if you're thinking, Wendy, I don't even know how to start a YouTube channel. That is totally normal. That's exactly why I created my YouTube Success Starter Kit, where I break it down. It helps you to get your channel set up, to know what to post and what to avoid as a beginner, all those mistakes that can waste months of your time. Then you might be thinking, I don't even know what I talk about on YouTube. That is why I created the Passion to Profits workshop, because you can take something that you already enjoy doing, something that you love and you're passionate about or you're experienced in. You can turn that into content, build a channel around it, and start creating income from it. You can grab both of those links in the description below whenever you are ready. Here's that mindset shift that most people miss. YouTube does not have to be the first one paying you, right? Your viewers can pay you, your skills can pay you, and your experience can pay you. Then monetization becomes that nice bonus income. It's not the starting line. So before I walk you through the 5 different methods, there's one really important piece that I want you to understand first, because everything you're about to hear flows through this, your email list. Your email list is what connects your content to your income. YouTube brings people in, your email list lets you stay connected. And that's where income actually gets created. Now, don't worry, I'm going to be showing you exactly how this works as we move through this video. Now, just keep this in mind because you're going to start to see how everything stacks together once the email list is in place. First way you can start making money from YouTube is affiliate marketing income. I start here because this is often where people make their very first dollars online, long before monetization ever kicks in, especially if you do it the right way. Affiliate marketing works because you're already helping people with your YouTube videos. You are creating a video that helps someone solve a problem. Inside that video, you naturally mention a tool, a resource, or something that you already use. You're placing your affiliate link in the description below, and if somebody clicks and buys, you earn a commission. That's it. Simple as that. Affiliate marketing works best when someone is already in a problem-solving mode. They're watching your video because they need help with something. You're simply pointing them to a solution. Where people get this wrong is thinking that affiliate marketing means throwing random links into a description and hoping that somebody clicks. No, that is not how this works. The real power comes when you combine affiliate marketing with automation. Now, let me give you a real example here. Just this past Christmas, I made over $28,000. Not because I was working more, because I was totally not working at all. I took off the whole Christmas time to be with my family. And I definitely was not posting on Christmas Day, but because I had automation set up properly, on Christmas Day alone, I made more than I spent on all the gifts for my family, grandkids, husband, everything. Because that income didn't come from hustling, it came from systems. So let me explain to you this way. Your videos don't expire. Someone can find a video you posted months or even a year ago. Click on a link today and you still earn. That is leverage. So if you're just getting started and you need help like understanding your channel foundation, then you're going to want to grab that YouTube Success Starter Kit that I mentioned before. So the second way to make money from your YouTube channel is with digital products. And this is where YouTube starts to feel intentional. A digital product is something that you create once and that you can sell over and over and over again. So there's no inventory, no shipping, no packing boxes. So a digital product can be as simple as a checklist, a guide, a template, a workbook, or a short training. You don't need a huge audience for this to work. You just need the right person watching the right video. And here's the key piece. Your email list equals income. You create a YouTube video that helps someone with a specific problem. So inside that video, you offer a simple freebie. That freebie helps them to go one step further. They download that freebie and now they're on your email list. That's where the connection is made. YouTube brings the people. The freebie starts the relationship. Your email list creates the opportunity for income. And this is the part that I really want you to hear, so lean in. Your freebie is the bridge between your content and your income. If you've ever felt like you were missing pieces, this is usually the moment where it kind of clicks, like, I don't have a freebie. Okay, so number 3, the third way to make money from YouTube is coaching or consulting. And this kind of surprises a lot of people because you do not need a massive channel for this to start making you money. You don't need decades of experience. Your YouTube videos are already building trust. They're already teaching people. People hear how you explain things. They see how you think, and they start to feel like they know you. And eventually somebody thinks, could she help me with this? That is coaching. You don't need to be the world's biggest expert. You just need to be a few steps ahead of the person who you're helping. People pay for clarity because YouTube has a lot of information, but not a lot of personalized direction. And that is where coaching comes in. Now, the fourth way to make money from YouTube is by selling a service. This works beautifully if people already ask you for help. Some people want to learn. Some people want it done for them. Inside my community, some people prefer the done-for-you tech support help. You can just forget it and they will set it. You could follow the video trainings and set it up yourself, but some people don't want that hassle, or they just want it done faster. So they pay for that support. So people will happily pay for speed, simplicity, and peace of mind. That is a service. Now, the fifth way to make money from YouTube is teaching classes or workshops. This is not one-on-one, and it's not done for you. This is teaching what you already know to a group of people. If you can explain something on YouTube, you can teach a class. Now, people will happily pay for structure, clarity, guidance, and accountability. And this is exactly what I'm doing with my Passions to Profits workshop. I teach people how to take something that they love, turn it into a freebie, and then grow an email list, and how to have it set up with automation, and how that can start creating an income for you. And you can see this happening in real time by joining my Passion to Profits workshop. You can find the link for the workshop in the description below. Here's why I wanted to walk you through all 5 of these methods first, because when you build YouTube this way, you create a freebie, you grow an email list, and you layer in affiliate income, digital income, services, and classes. You're not waiting on YouTube to pay you. You're building income before monetization ever turns on. And then when monetization finally kicks in, it doesn't replace anything. It simply stacks another income on top of it all. So let me show you exactly what I mean. This right here is what YouTube paid me over the last year. Now, as you're looking at this, notice what happens around June. That's when things really started to increase for me. And that's not just random. June is when I put into action that everything I had learned about how to grow on YouTube. Prior to that, I was just doing things helter-skelter, but I learned how to do things the right way, not just posting more videos and hoping for views, but understanding what to post, how to structure content, and how to grow an income alongside my views. So if you're looking at this and thinking, okay, I want to grow a channel properly and I want to grow an income with it, then you're going to want to grab my YouTube Success Starter Kit below. Because yes, monetization is real. By the time it kicks in, it's not pressure money. It's bonus money. It stacks on top of everything that you've already built. That is the smartest way to build your YouTube channel. So now you know the 5 different ways that you can start making money with YouTube before you even get monetized. And if you want to see exactly how this looks for any niche, doesn't matter what your topic is, where I take one topic and I layer all of these income streams in, you're going to want to watch this video right here, where I'm going to walk you through it step by step. And you're going to have some serious light bulb moments, my friend. So I will see you in the next video.